Trump calls recent talks with Xi Jinping friendly, reignites Panama Canal debate. U.S. President Donald Trump described his recent discussions with Chinese President Xi Jinping as pleasant and cordial, expressing optimism about reaching a fair trade agreement between the two nations. In an interview aired Thursday evening on Fox News, Trump was questioned about trade relations with China. He stated, "Our discussions were positive and friendly. Things are moving in the right direction." When asked if he could negotiate a fair trade deal with China, he confidently replied, "I can do it." Earlier, Trump issued a controversial statement, threatening to take control of the Panama Canal and accusing China of increasing its influence in the critical maritime route. He emphasized, the canal was handed over to Panama by the U.S. in late 1999, and China has no claim over it. If necessary, we will reclaim it. China responded sharply to these remarks. Foreign Ministry spokesperson Mao Ning dismissed the claims, asserting, "These allegations are baseless. China has neither interfered in nor is involved in the management of the Panama Canal." Panama's president, José Raúl Mulino, also rejected allegations of foreign interference, stating, "The Panama Canal is our national property and will always remain under our control. Its management is entirely handled by the Panamanian government, and no external interference will be tolerated." What is the Panama Canal dispute? The Panama Canal, one of the world's most vital maritime routes connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, was completed under U.S. supervision in 1914 and remained under American control for decades. However, on December 31, 1999, it was officially handed over to Panama. Trump's remarks have strained U.S. relations not only with China, but also with Panama. Analysts view his threats as part of an aggressive foreign policy aimed at curbing China's expanding influence globally.